Hey everybody, what's going on? So as requested, everyone wanted to see my video TA on Bitcoin. So take a look here. I like to do this approach. So I'd like to look at the weekly and I'd like to dive into smaller time frames as we go through. So let's take a look at the weekly. One thing we can establish for sure is that we have this downtrend right here. And so Bitcoin obviously dropped massively, came up, retested, and then boom, we established this resistance area right here. Okay, so this is going to be a key player. Let's take a look inside and see what happened on the daily time frame. All right, so as of recently, we've been going through a lot of chop. This is the FTX collapse. This is the double bottom. And then right here is where we had that long, slow moving price action. And then we finally get a pop off here on the daily. So let's dissect that a little bit. Let's zoom in. One thing I want to show you guys is look, we had a clear bull flag in this area. And one thing I like about bull flags is when they pop off, I mean, they have a nice probability of popping off. It's around 75%. And when they do, it's a nice little measured move from the pole all the way up. And you can just pretty much drag that and then copy paste. We almost made it, but didn't quite get there yet. So one of the another things I wanted to point out was right here is our key area of support. Okay, so the top of the bull flag now has become support, and obviously we're going to test it again, and it looks like this daily candle is going to test it again today, and that's fine as long as it holds, right? And if it does hold, that means that we're going to have another leg up. And here's another thing I wanted to point out was our trend tends to be up. We keep making higher highs and higher lows. And so as long as we keep going up, I think that we can, it's very possible we test this 19.3K range. Um, but we got to play it level by level. So a key area of resistance obviously has already been established is this area of $18,000. And if we zoom out, I mean, it's the June lows and then it's all these lows that were tested. We came here and obviously got rejected. The good thing is we did pierce through it. We wicked through it. We had this bearish daily close and then the follow through. And I think we're going to test this support again. If this support holds, I can see us testing all the way up here to the 19.3 range. Now, the real question is how are you going to execute this? That is can be covered in another video. If this video gets up to 10 likes, I'll make another video of what I'm going to do. This is kind of my analysis on the market right now, where we're headed, and how I'm going to trade these moves. These moves are going to be massive. So take a look here. One move to the upside is around 10%. On a 9x leverage, just almost 100% move. And then this downside move, at least to this support, is another 11%. So we're in a very important area that can go either way. And if you want to know how to trade it, let this video get 10 likes and I'll upload another one of what I'm going to do, how I'm going to follow through, and how I'm going to execute, which a lot of the other people don't do. And that's how you make your money, is really just the execution of the trade and how to think through the trade. That's like 95% of the battle. Anyone can tell you this is going to go up or down. But if you want the follow through, give this video 10 likes, retweet it, share it, and then I'll go ahead and post it. All right, thank you for your time.